Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. MEXC is turning 7 and we are excited to celebrate with our special partnership. You can enjoy this event with exclusive rewards only with the referral link below. So starting on the daily chart here, we're looking at an impulse toward the upside for a wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario, you are potentially looking here at a corrective wave ABC or WXNY. However, this WXNY did not reach the low yet, knowing that it has hit the 886 and it has started, of course, to move toward the upside. Now, basically, you can say that you have finished 3 waves here and you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as an impulse toward the upside. However, questionable is that wave 5 in the top here, which it looks like 3 waves rather than an impulse, but it can be internally as well as an ending diagonal, taking the all-time high here, and then of course finishing an impulse wave 1. You're looking for a wave 2 potentially, and because the 886 here, the wave 2 for an impulse is a little bit hard to unfold, of course, as a massive wave 3, but don't forget that it can be a wave 2 but for an ending diagonal, and that means of course it can be a 1, 2, and then you're looking for wave 3 for an F5 for an ending diagonal in an A, B, in an A, a B, and a C towards the upside, of course, to hit the 1-to-1 fib level, taken from the start of the A to the bottom of this wave B here, hitting perfectly the $900 for a TAO. And this is by simply, of course, taking the all-time high here as a wave C, of course, in an ending diagonal possibly. And yeah, basically, so we are looking potentially for higher prices. You would like to see here a potential of an impulse toward the upside, or at least a zigzag, in case this is considered as a zigzag, but it's hard to see this as a zigzag, of course. Otherwise, it becomes, of course, a WX and a Y. So basically, we want to see an impulse. So we would like to see an ending diagonal impulsive, and that means the wave 1, the wave 3, and the wave 5. All of them should be impulses since you have started with an impulse for a wave 1. Now, in this case scenario, you would like to see, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. Let's move inside it to see what are the possibilities of this current wave right now. So right now, we are looking at the following price action. We potentially finished a W, an X here, and you finished a wave Y, another structure for the wave Y, which is of course a very matching the wave W, very nice of course as comparison, and you have the X here in between those two patterns, finishing a W, X, and a Y, and you're looking for higher. Now in this area, of course, here we are looking potentially for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now it can be kind of a leading diagonal, but basically I have to recheck this if we have touch the 1-to-1 fib level. Well, yeah, we touch it like, yeah, we touch it. So there is no leading diagonal. There is potentially a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. So it can be as well, of course, a wave 1 here. We cannot say that it cannot, like, it can be, of course, a wave 1. And I would say that you are looking here potentially, or you know what, let's just take this one here. Here we go. Potentially you finished a wave 1, or you're looking for a wave ABC here, finished of course as a zigzag or as a corrective wave. You would like to hit in confluence, as you can see, the 1-to-1 fib level, taken of course from this A, B, and a C, and in confluence with this scenario where you have of course a potential ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. So basically, because we are in an A, B, and a C potentially, you might have this scenario as an ending diagonal here, and the 1-to-1 fib level is invalidation of this ending diagonal. And that means if you start to move towards the downside, as we see some red right now, it can be that you have finished a wave 4 here for an ending diagonal. And of course, to make sure of this, we need to move and dive inside it to see what's going on inside this wave toward the upside. Do we have a finished impulse? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially finished. Let's check also inside the wave 5. So definitely we have a 1 2 here, 1 2 finished, 3. Okay, everything looks fine unless here. So 1 2 3, well, it can be here as well, 4 and a 5, but also you can have 1 2 3 4 and a 5 finished. Yes, you can have a finished impulse here for a wave C. So we have to be careful with it, of course, without reaching the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning no invalidation of the wave 4. And it means, of course, you might still looking for lower. So we have to be careful with this. Now you might have open a scenario for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the downside. So we have to be careful with it, of course. Otherwise, I would like to see the wave, the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, hit. Yeah, if we see, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level hit and continuation toward the upside, of course, overshooting it. Therefore, we come back to this scenario for a wave 3, after a wave 1, 2 here. But currently, higher potential it is for an ABC finished, because your wave 3, in case this is a wave 3 after 1, 2, 3, your wave 3 is very short and shorter than 1-to-1 fib level, meaning higher potential that we move towards the downside, especially if we see an impulse continues for lower prices. Our target for wave 5, of course, is the 1-to-1 fib level here, which is, of course, simply taking the low 162 or $150 as well, of course, where we might see this wave 5 unfolding. Let me check. Here we go. This wave 5 can, of course, 162, 150 as well. And yeah, so basically this is your ending diagonal here. Here we go. Yeah, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen, guys. Basically, I'm still looking for this target and to see what's gonna happen. So let's watch and see, of course, if this price was gonna continue for lower in this scenario, or it's gonna, of course, take the 1-to-1 fib level and, of course, continues for higher. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.